Welcome to my orchid session. In this video I'm going to show you about the growth success of a particular Cattleya orchid, that is orchid Cattleya Labiata. These are pink flowers having beautiful leaves around it. In this plant there are three foliages right now. Apart from this there are many buds, as you can see here. This is a bud. This is a bud, but these are three foliage. One foliage here, another foliage there, and you can see the third foliage here. And each of these foliage there are many buds in each foliage. For example, in this around 8 to 10 flowers you can see from a single bunch. This one is having 4 flowers in this, three flowers in this, and in this there are around 4 flowers. These are pink, strong, deeply pink flowers, and they have very nice fragrance in the morning. The fragrance starts in the morning and slowly fades away by 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. and this is around 2 p.m. of the day, and we can smell very nice fragrance. So this is the plant as a whole. As you can see, this plant you can keep it anywhere, on your dining table, near your sofa set, anywhere, and you can see its plant system, how nice and plump growth of this plant. It has occurred during the monsoon season. It was kept outside, and this was potted in a earthen pot. It was potted in an earthen pot, as you can see this here, and the potting media was typically coconut barks and some stone chips, like some chips of some chips of some bricks. Actually, this one was potted 2 years back. After this foliage is over, I will repot it again. Probably I will split this plant to make it 3 plants. And I must say this plant is extremely rugged. In fact, it is very difficult to kill this plant in any way. Either you overwater it or keep it dry for some days, or keep it in the rain. It doesn't matter. It doesn't get destroyed. It's a very rugged plant. I am very happy with this plant. You can see the foliages. As I said, you can keep this plant anywhere you like. For example, I have kept it near my window ceiling, where many other dendrobium orchids are there. As you can see, many different colors of dendrobium orchids, but these orchids will be described in a separate video. But for the time being, let me focus on this Cattleya Labiata. You can see the foliage, and not only one plant, there are many other plants which have bloomed simultaneously. Here I am showing you only 3 of my plants here. You can see the nice green leaves of these plants, how healthy the plants are. You can see. So this is Cattleya Labiata. It's a fragrant orchid, nice, strong pink in color. This plant again was potted in an earthen pot with charcoal and bricks pieces, along with some coconut husks. And you can see this is another bud waiting to be bloomed. I expect it to burst anytime in 8 to 10 days. I hope by the time these flowers are finished, I can enjoy the next bloom. So these are my Cattleya orchids, Cattleya Labiata orchids. So I'll give you some close shots of this. You can see this. So here are some close shots of this Cattleya Labiata. This bloom has occurred almost 5 to 6 days back, and I'm expecting it to continue for another 10 to 12 days. And also, once these flowers are done with, I'm expecting to have another sets of flowers from the buds which are still waiting to be burst. So this is my success story of Cattleya Labiata. Thank you for watching my video.